All right, these are the best TikToks that I could find in like 30 minutes. Here we go, because I need something upbeat after the goddamn freaking recordings we've done today. Jesus, give me some happiness, please. Start with a good old dog fart there, you know, just there we go. Now I feel better. Okay, now I can get into it. Oh, sweet. Give me some more dog stuff, please. Yeah, can't lick your paws no more. Yeah. There you go.
Can I give him a treat? Yeah, I was gonna give him
Not moving perfectly still. Oh my god.
That's weird, bro.
I'm not okay. Is that a treat? Don't want it. I don't even want to breathe right now. No, thank you. Just take this off me.
What the?
Like, bruh. I mean, can you imagine going out to the orchard here or whatever and pulling one off the tree and then biting into it and just drowning when you do?
The one covered in powdered sugar?
That one, 5 liters of orange, 5 liters of juice in one orange. To be fair, they did slow it down. You can tell it's in slow motion, but still, that's a lot of juice coming out of that thing. Holy crap. That is a lot.
Which one of you girls want to go home with the homeless guy? We got to go to your place, though.
Hey, you can drop me off anywhere.
I hope he went home.
I hope it was successful for him. But
Nice.
I do that often, you know. I just go around.
The dog mating call.
Oh yeah, here on the frozen lake. Got him a stick.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Like the look on his face, those cracks happen. Oh god. What was he trying to do with a stick out there, the freaking log?
I don't know.
We may never know, because I don't think he survived the incident. You got this dude out here on a boat, you know, just God, on the ship, just up. Oh my god, dude.
Wow.
Just imagine being on this all the time. Oh my god. That's actually crazy. Did I get motion sick from just, you know, riding in the front seat? Riding as passenger, much less. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is a robbery. No, it's not. This is a bank.
Wrong time for a dad joke.
Put the money in the back.
Oh!
Did you yourself or give birth?
Like what? Bruh! It's disgusting.
Gator, the drink that I like, man.
What's it called?
Gary drink. Get it, man, already. Get me a cup. I want to drink this. I like it.
The old lady in here just like, give me the game. Get the game. Oh, even Gatorade had to comment on it. Get them the Gary Gare, bro. The Gary Gare.
When they said fixing, I thought they meant like fixings on a sandwich. Reggie, right over my wrist.
Oh no! Oh, Scoob, bro! Not like this.
Reggie.
Not like this, Scoob. Reggie, please. Let's see, 2021 recap. Let's see here. Oh! Jesus Christ!
He melted.
He was the cake. Oh my god! That's pretty cool. How did he do it all? That's crazy.
You have AIDS now. Back to my hole. You have AIDS now.
All right. Back to my hole. Good Lord. Elden Ring bleed builds. Yeah, that's what that is right there. All right. What else do I have on here that I've liked here recently?
Oh man, I love these.
Bruh.
Oh man, I love these.
Bruh. How could you?
What is that?
It's the thing. Okay. You know what this is?
I thought he was doing the right thing. I was like, oh man, it's quarter.
No,
He made a wish.
he's doing not the right thing. He needs to apologize. You put the coin in this thing right here, and it goes around, and it just like spins around and around and around and around and around until it finally goes in the hole.
Oh.
Apologize.
Blood nose after it. Yeah. Oh. Have you seen the Policing the Police? It's a pretty juicy one.
Oh no.
What are you working on right now?
Several cases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out and about a little bit?
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the question.
I'm asking the questions here. Where have you been today? Huh?
You're on this.
You're on this property.
You need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk? Why are you slurring your words today? Does he usually drink on the job, or? Sure. Would you submit to a breathalyzer for me right now?
You're ridiculous.
Get your butt back in your office and do your job.
You shut up. And
get your butt back in your office and do your job. You quit drinking on the job. You understand me? You punk ass. You get your ass back in there. You don't look back here again. I'll be watching you.
I'm watching you.
To be clear, it has not been proven that Detective Mike Jardine is or was drinking on the job.
Who are you?
Oh, I love it, man. Oh, that's so good. Oh,
That was awesome.
Dude. Like you look back at the end, like, I'm going to look back. You can't tell me what to do.
That was
You need to
great.
get out of here. Like, what are you going to do?
It's like, no, you get out of here. You get back in your office. I'm asking the questions here.
I wonder whatever happened with him.
Oh, he got tased.
He got
There's no way around it.
He got that POP after that. It's the pissed off police ticket, you know. They came back and just created something to get him for.
Someone left their toy.
That's ice, hon.
Oh, it's ice? Oh.
No, I would have used that.
Someone left their toy.
That's ice.
That's funny. What else I got here in the bag?
These are pretty good this time. I like these.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Get it?
Breaking it down.
Is that Kirby?
Corking it.
Yeah.
The things you gotta do to make a buck, you know. You just Dude, I think the cringiest thing about these is that whenever it's like I guess this is a viral one, right? You go in here and you got all these brands that are leaving comments. So like,
Yeah.
oh, I understand. Whatever, Cash App, shut up. We're cool with the kids, you know. We're hip. You know, like this guy.
Was that his rib that broke?
Oh, that fall damage, man. Oh, God, he hit the ground so hard. Update, I'm alive. But my aspiration for parkour may be dead.
A wee long neck at 29 in the fucking border.
That's an Australian for you right there, Dane.
Nice.
That's about as Aussie as it gets, I think. It got a freaking tattoo of it on his. It can't be a tattoo, right? That's got to be like
Brand
is that a
deal.
tattoo? No, that's a tattoo. That's definitely.
That is a tattoo.
Get you a VB long neck. Yeah, oi mate, oi yeah.
He probably made $20 for that.
The tat started off as the same size as the label on the bottle. What a cool dude. Yay!
Hey, I feel better.
Hooray! Oh, God, she's gonna grow up and be so happy that her parents filmed her doing this. They're gonna gather around the dinner table and Dad's gonna be like, "Look at this video I recorded of her when she was a baby."
Can't wait till 2042 when she's like, "That was me 20 years ago. I'm the fart girl."
That my claim to claim to fame, the fart girl. Yup. Oh! God, I forgot that was in there. All right. Oh, here's a win. Jesus Christ, the Wheeze. She laughs like we do. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. What's about to happen here? Oh my good.
Nice.
Oh, heck yeah.
When I
So
say
talking about-
be a belly dancer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Get the belly dancer. Well, that's going to be it for the best ones I could find. TikTok I could find in 30 minutes. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I needed some positivity to show. But anyway, if today's your birthday, happy birthday. To my friends, I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.